Look at those disc brakes on the back. Wish more cars had disc brakes in the back. They're great. We got a minor problem here with the mini Hemi. It's been about 3,000 miles since I got it back on the road. It's got 4 error codes. One, I believe, is due to an old radiator cap, which I've now replaced. The other one is a vacuum leak somewhere in this system here. This line goes down here to this shut-off valve or something like that, and a carbon container, I believe it is, and then it goes over to the gas tank. If your gas tank cap is loose or old, so it leaks, it turns on the check engine light, because the gas tank is supposed to be under a little vacuum according to the design. And but you know, it could also be anywhere along the system. So instead of chasing that down to its solution, I'm gonna fix this in a more much cheaper, easier way, as soon as I find some pliers. Okay, these are channel locks, not pliers, but they'll work great. There, and I take this plug, and it's a little too small actually, but it goes on just like that. So now there's no more vacuum leak from there. But now we have this hose. Gas fumes theoretically will come out of that, so I took this part off the tractor, the case. It's part of the fuel line, but it'll do nicely here. I rebuilt the fuel line on the tractor, so it doesn't need this anymore. Okay, that goes over there right there. Instead of hooking it there, just hook it right here. Okay, this pipe comes from the gas tank, goes into the canister here, it has charcoal in it. This goes up to a solenoid, which in turn goes up here and into the motor, which it no longer does. So we'll just take hose off here. It goes to solenoid, just like that. Take the vacuum line off from there, put it on here. It's too short, which means I need to get more vacuum line. Okay, found an old hose that fits. So we'll feed this one down here between the air conditioning line and the top radiator hose. Stick it on there. Stick this one in the intake.
There's this one here.
All the nasty gas fumes will go into the motor. Gas tank does not need to be under vac. Now to make sure she still starts. Okay, warm her up and change the oil. Watch your speed.